I'm here, not there, not everywhere, but here. Now in front of you, I'm going to teach you how to get the critical points. So, definition of critical points is, we say that x equals to c is a critical point of a function of f of x. If f of c exists,
Our given is x cubed plus 6x squared plus 12x plus 1. So, we have to get the first derivative of our given. So, bring down 3 as exponent x. Copy the x. So, we have to subtract our exponent to 1. It becomes squared plus multiply the exponent to our base 6. Become 12x. Because we subtract it to 1. So, it will become x. Plus, there's no exponent at all. So, we have to copy the 12. Because 1 is a constant, it will become 0. So, we get the first derivative. So, we will get now the GCF of our first derivative.
So we'll get the GCF of our first derivative. So it's 3. So 3 divided by 3x squared, x squared, plus 3 divided by 12x, x 4x, plus 3 divided by 12 is 4. So we get now, so we have to get the factors of our given. So the x to become a whole number, x equals to, the sign will change, -2, and x equals to -2. Now we have our critical points.
Good day, everyone. This is Gregory Alvarin speaking, and I am here in front of you to explain how to get the critical point of a given function. So, our given function is f of x is equals to 6x to the power of 5th plus 33x to the power of 4 minus 30x cubed plus 100. So we have to find the derivative of our given. So based from our given, we have to multiply the derivative to the base. So 5 times 6 is equals to 30x to the power of 4. If you guys are wondering why our exponent became into 4, because we have to subtract 1 to the exponent. So that's why it became 30x to the power of 4. Next, 4 times 33 is equals to 132x cubed. Then 30 times 3 is equals to 90x squared. So where did the 100 go? Okay. We have to cancel this one because it's a constant number. So no need to put 100 because, as I said, it's a constant number. Next, we have to find the GCF of the given function. So the GCF of 30 is 6x squared, or 5x squared. So 6 times 5 to be 30. Then the GCF of 132 is 22x. And GCF of 90 is 15. So we have now our GCF. Next, we have to factor out the given function. Okay. So 6x squared, and then 5x minus 3 times x plus 5. And this is the factor of our given function. 5x minus 3 equals to 0. We have to move this to the left, or I mean to the right, so x plus 5 times 0. We have to change the sign, of course. So
Time na saan?
now it would be 3x plus a 3/5. And then this one will become 2x equals to -5.
Given is 4x cubed minus 2x squared minus 16x plus 4. So we have to find the first derivative of our given. So we have to multiply the 3 to the 4, so it becomes 12x. So we have to subtract 1 to the exponent and it will become squared minus 4. So 2 times 2 is 4x. It will become x because 2 minus 1 is 1, so it will become x. Minus 16, because we have to cancel the x because there's no exponent at all. So it become the 4 it will become 0 because it is a constant. So this is their first derivative. So we have to find the GCF of our first derivative. So it is a 4. 4 divided by 12 is 3x squared minus 4 divided by 4x is x. 4 divided by 16 is 4. So that is our able to get our x values. We have to multiply the first term and the last term. So 3 times -4 is 12. -12. So factor out the -12, it's 3 and -4. 12 is 3 and -4. We have to divide it to the first term of our given. So before that, we have to subtract it, the exponent to 1. So it will become 3x and 3x here. So cancel 3 and it will become x, or x plus 1. And then -4 and 3x. So we have to copy it because -4 and 3 will never be divided. So 3x minus 4. So before that, so we get the factor out. Before that, we have to change the sign so that it will become a whole number. We have to transfer it to the right because we have to make it a whole number. So x is equal to -1 because we transfer it, the sign will change. And also in the 3x minus 4. So x is equal to 3 over 4. So this is our critical point. Thank you for listening.